Okay, so I want you to, before you begin test out, I want you to go to the test out website, and I want you to know that there is a link called knowledge based. So when you click knowledge based, right, and there's a list of issues and problems, right, and I want you to, whenever you have a problem, I want you to first go to the knowledge based and take a look at the list to see if any of the listings here matches your problem. And in today I want you to take a look at this one, how to enable pop-up for test out a lab scene. So it really shows that how to enable pop-ups for Google Chrome, Internet Explorer 11, and Apple Safari, and Microsoft Edge, and Firefox, right? So for the lab, especially for the lab scene, you must enable pop-ups. Okay, so once you log in your account, you will see this list, right? So basically, Testout Security Pro consists of 9 chapters and 2 additional chapters, A and B, chapter A and chapter B, so a total of 11 chapters. And each chapter, for example, consists of many sections. So for example, chapter 2 have 6 sections, and chapter 6, for example, has 16 sections, right? So it's section 6, the chapter 6 is huge. Within each section, as you can see, this video icon means a video lecture, right? So let's just click this video lecture, for example, 2.41 crypto concept. So play with interactive script.
Encryption is a component of cryptography. It's the method of converting readable information into unintelligible information using something called...
Typically, after video lecture, you'll see a summary, something called crypto fact. So typically, this shows a summary of the previous video lecture. So definitely, you should spend your time to review this text, right? This summary, the facts, and then chapter doesn't have a lab. So let's say look at it, and okay. So basically, each sections, for example, let's look at the chapter 6. As you can see, chapter 1. Each section has like a video lecture, followed by the text summary, right? And then the practice questions. So and then this mouse means the lab. Okay, this mouse means the lab. So let's take a practice questions first. So this is practice questions. So each section has one practice question. So start the exam. I'll just click. I don't want to even read the options. Oops. So just check the answer, and then I'll just select the random answer. Okay, score test. Wow, okay, 33%. So I'm done. So this is my score because I got 2 out of 6. I'm done. And then so this is basically the practice question. And for the lab, as you can see, this mouse means the lab. So, by the way, I already enabled the pop-up. By the way, this is like your task, right? The summary of your task. And then the start lab, right? When you click start lab, I have to wait. Okay, so this is, by the way, this is my lab. Okay, so this is the scenario. You have to read the scenario, and then you have to do the lab. And once you are done, right? Once you are done, you can also reset if you want to really start all over. And then you can click done when you're done. So let's just click done. And I got 0 points because I did not do anything, right? And then here is the explanations, right? So I'm done. So as you can see, Testout has 9 chapters with the 2 additional chapters, right? Each chapter has, as you can see, has many sections, and each section has video lectures, text summary, and then practice questions and labs, right? So this is the structure of the Testout Security Pro. By the way, as you can see, you'll probably complete all 9 chapters, and each chapter has so many sections and so many labs. Especially for the lab, I do not want you to spend too much time because you have to do so many practice questions and so many labs. If you're stuck, just of course you have to spend, let's say, like 20 minutes and 30 minutes to figure out what your problem is, but do not spend too much time on one problem, because you have, as you can see, you have so many things to do, right? So many practice questions to take and so many labs to do. Don't spend just too much time on one section or one lab, right? It does not make any sense, for example, for you to spend whole entire afternoon, for just only one lab. Okay, just move. Okay, move on, please. Okay, now